Dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss about what is drought and what causes drought. Let's get started. A drought is a period of time when an area or a particular region experiences below normal precipitation. The severity of the drought depends upon the amount of time that a region receives below average precipitation. When a particular area gets less rainfall than normal, then obviously the soil will also get less moisture, and due to this, the soil starts drying out and the plants eventually die. Now, when this pattern continues for several weeks, months or years, the flow of streams and rivers also decreases, and the water level in the lakes, reservoirs and wells also fall. Eventually what happens, the unusual dry weather causes water supply issues and the dry period becomes a drought. Droughts are one of the important natural calamities that has adverse consequences on people. The beginning of a drought is difficult to determine. It may take several weeks, months or even years for people to understand that a drought is coming. And also, the end of a drought can occur as gradually as it began. Now the question is, does a drought end when it rains? Well, rain can help during a drought, but it does not make the drought go away completely. A light rain shower can give a temporary relief, but if that water quickly evaporates into the air or if it is soaked up by the plants, the drought relief doesn't last long. But if soaking rain occurs, then it might improve drought conditions, and multiple soaking rains over several months will be required if the things are to be returned to normal. Now let's discuss the effects of droughts. Now droughts affect the environment in many different ways. Like us, plants and animals also depend upon water. So when a drought occurs, their food supply also gets reduced and their habitat also gets damaged to a greater extent. Farmers may also lose money if a drought destroys their crops. Droughts can also cause destruction of fish and wildlife habitat because of lack of food and drinking water. Now the question is how to prevent drought. We cannot control the weather, but what we can do is we can reduce the water waste and we should use water more efficiently. We should also think about water conservation by water recycling, as recycled water can serve as a significant water resource, reducing demand from the sources such as rivers, streams, reservoirs and underground water supplies. So if we can manage our water resources, the drought does not occur during the short dry spells. So this was all about droughts. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss about another natural calamities. Till then, thank you. Take care.